Yeah, guys. So currently you are going to do P2P and all that. Then you have like this problem. So one of my students needed like crypto, like of 20 USDT. So now I've tried to do the payment. I finished with the payment. All of a sudden, they they said I refused to like basically like what release the crypto to me. So I've sent an appeal and I'm currently like waiting. So like I have, you can see from the top here, I just have what 4 minutes remaining. If you fail to release the crypto, then what Binance is basically going to what just release the crypto to me, and they are going to deal with him for like what lagging and all that. Disrespect for sure. So if you are basically doing P2P, ensure you are always online. You need to be online, okay? You need to what be online, and moreover, like stop stealing people's money. The money is not yours. When someone tries to do payment, ensure you release the crypto. All right, it does not work. The money is not yours. So I just like decided to share this with the community for you guys to basically know, in case ever you face like something like this. Whenever you are doing payments, please ensure you take screenshot of what your receipt of payment. All right, and also like you just like follow the necessary process, because if you fail to basically like provide a receipt, if you are going to send your appeal, Binance is going to ask you to upload like proof of payment and everything. They are going to like what try to confirm that, and if they know like you basically like you paid the fellow and he or she like failed to like release the crypto, they are going to release your crypto for sure. So currently I have like less than 3 minutes for the appeal to go through, and after we'll see about that. In case of any time you face such kind of situation, don't hesitate, just write an appeal. Binance is very safe and secure, one of the best exchanges. All right, so I just like decided like let me just record, because I have video already how to deposit and how to sell your crypto, but this is like the first time of having like issue when it comes to this. I used to buy my crypto from this particular platform, so this is the first time. I'm currently in Turkey. All right, this is the first time, so let's see how this goes, and you guys are going to know. I'll just skip this recording and I'll fast forward or so after like 2 minutes remaining. You can see from the top pending respondent like what respond. All right, so if he's saying he has not received the money, then for sure he or she needs to what just what upload proof that he have not received the money, but I have sent the money, and then I have like proof, I have my receipts, I have screenshots, you know. I've uploaded that and I'm waiting for what Binance is going to basically say. So there are 3 stages of what the appeal. After you submit your appeal, you are going to wait for negotiation with the counterparty. All right, for them to see, for if they fail to upload this, then Binance is going to go to the third stage, which is the CLC review, and they are going to release your crypto. So this is how basically this process is done, and we'll see how this is going to go. All right, I paid 665 Turkish lira. All right, 1 USDT is currently 35.25 Turkish lira, and 665 is supposed to get me 20 USDT. And below you are seeing my order number. So less than 1 minute more, we are going to see the next stage. Let's just wait and see. I just decided to screen record. I wish I like before sending the appeal, I just screen record, but after almost submitting the appeal, that the appeal is just basically you press appeal and you submit. That's basically like what appeal. All right, so there's just one more process before this current one. You just like what upload your receipt, you press appeal, then you are going to say you what you made payments, but what the seller is not releasing your crypto, and they will ask you to do the proof of payment. Then you just upload. All right, you can screenshot or you go to your bank app. All right, and you just download and you just upload here, and that's basically what you're going to do. Then Binance is going to give what 10 minutes to the seller to release the crypto, or otherwise they are going to stage 2. All right, which is stage 2, like they negotiate. As you are seeing from the countdown time remaining at the top, you are seeing we have 25 seconds, 24 seconds, and let's see what's going to happen. I don't know why people behave like this. You just do your payment, and so you should be mindful of how you do transaction with people. Always ensure like the people are online. All right, we have 8 seconds. Ensure they are online, so when you do payment, it's easy for them, because some are not even online. So let's see. So you see now, pending respondents respond. We are just waiting for that. Let's just wait and see. So I'll just type details of payment below. So the seller's account. So hope you guys are following this. Alright, so this is basically so you see customer support is now in. Okay, the customer support is now in. So I will submit this. Customer support is now in. Alright, so you see I've basically passed what? The phase 2. Alright, you can see from the top, appeal submitted, negotiated with the counterparty, sales day review. Alright, so as you can see, like I just see this is an email progress. Okay, customer support has stepped into the process. Your appeal for number, this is the amount of 20, your log out of P2P page for appeal history. So you see, like, and also I receive an SMS again. So the customer support is processing your appeal for order 977 and the amount of 20 USDT, which can be reviewed in your P2P order appeal history. Alright, so you guys are basically seeing the process. So I'll just wait and like basically try to see this. What you see, what I submitted all this stuff. It might be 20 USDT, but what if I have tried to purchase like more and all that? What's going to happen? And also let's just wait and see what Binance is going to like say. If you want to press chat, you can come to chat and all. And you see, you can see this is the individual, the name of the trader. Alright, so if you are in Turkey, avoid this fellow. PSN Xbox top up is the name of what the seller, so avoid this. I even sent a message, I have paid. This is why I ordered them like in Turkish. This is the IBAN and everything, and this is the receipt of payment that I sent to the trader, or the seller, but he refused to release the crypto. So now I'm waiting for Binance. I'm waiting for Binance and see. Yeah guys, so I've received the 20 USDT, as you can see, order completed and all. So you can check, this is my appeal history and everything is now like being sorted out. Like crypto, bro, for me crypto guys is like safe. If you want, you can just check our conversation. You see, sorry man, I was away, please accept my apology, I'm sorry again. I was like, okay bro, like say thanks. Alright, so like this is basically what happened. I will just write what, stay blessed. Alright, so that's how we resolve the problem and all. So if I want to leave a feedback, they ask me to leave a feedback. I don't want to be mean and all that. I can just leave a feedback. Yeah, sometimes things goes out in this crypto space. Okay, and all. So that's it guys, stay blessed, be careful out there.